Hi everyone, today's headlines. Blockade 7 DCCI look beyond Upper Assam. IMA to withdraw non-essential non-COVID services on December 11. Nagaland COVID tally 11,254. Phase 2 indefinite agitation successfully on day 2 ENSF. China Chang'e 5 probe lands on moon. Jamshedpur FC and Hyderabad FC play out 1-1 draw in ISL. India beat Australia by 13 runs, avoid whitewash. Health and Family Welfare Department urged the uphold HC judgment. Convene special parliament session to repeal farm laws. Farmers to government. News in details. Blockade 7 DCCI look beyond Upper Assam. Against the backdrop of ongoing economic blockade imposed by some Assam-based organization restricting movement of vehicles along National Highways 702D at Merini under Jorhat district of Assam, the business community of Mogochung, Tunjang, Voka, Zunabato, Longleng, Noklek and Kifri district Wednesday said it would seek alternative means of doing business by looking beyond Jorhat and Upper Assam. IMA to withdraw non-essential non-COVID services on December 11. Indian Medical Association on Tuesday gave a call to all doctors practicing modern medicine to withdraw non-essential and non-COVID services on December 11 in protest against the Centre Council of Indian Medical Notification, which authorizes postgraduate practitioners in specified stream of Ayurveda to be trained to perform general surgical procedures. Emergency services will function along with ICUs and CCUs, but no elective surgical case will be posted, the doctor's body said. Nagaland COVID tally 11,254. Nagaland COVID tally on Wednesday rose to 11,254 after 45 new cases were reported. 22 in Dimapur, 13 in Tunjang, 9 in Kohima and 1 in Kifri. Further, out of 11,254 positive cases, the distribution across various categories of people include 4,565 cases from the armed forces or police, 1,776 returnees, 4,378 trace contacts, and 535 frontline workers. Phase 2 indefinite agitation successfully on day 2 by ENSF. Eastern Naga Students Federation on Wednesday informed that second phase of the proposed democratic indefinite agitation on day 2 passed off peacefully and successfully. In a press release, ENSF President Sifili L. Sanktam said that 6 federating units locked down government offices and restricted movement of government registered vehicles at their respective headquarters. On day 2, ENSF said 2 vehicles were seized by the federating unit in 2 different jurisdictions. China Chang'e 5 probe lands on moon. On the most complex mission to the moon, China Chang'e 5 probe drilled the lunar surface, collected samples on Wednesday in the first such effort in over 40 years and began preparation to bring the precious soil to Earth, the country's space authorities said. The Chang'e 5 probe has collected moon samples after landing on Tuesday, the China National Space Administration announced on Wednesday. The unmanned probe landed in area called Oceanus Procellarum, also known as the Ocean of Storm, on the near side of the moon, and started rolling out its solar panel wings and unlocking some of the payload on board to prepare for sample collection. Jamshedpur FC and Hyderabad FC play out 1-1 draw in ISL. Jamshedpur FC managed to snatch a point from Hyderabad FC as the team play out a 1-1 draw in the third match in the Indian Super League on Wednesday at the Tilak Maidan, Goa. India beat Australia by 13 runs, avoid whitewash. India riding on a 150-run partnership between Hardik Pandya and Ravindra Jadeja for the 6th wicket and a 3-wicket haul from Shardul Thakur pulled off a 13-run consolation win in a closely fought the third and final one-day international and avoided conceding a clean sweep to Australia here at Manuka Oval. Health and Family Welfare Department urged to uphold High Court judgment. Concerned Ayush Doctors Association Nagaland has urged the State Health and Family Welfare Department to uphold the November 2020 Gauri High Court Kohima bench judgment that directed requisition of 21 Ayush medical officer posts to the Nagaland Public Service Commission. CADN through its media cell stated that concerned Ayush doctors had approached the High Court for filing 21 posts of Ayush medical officers through NPSC. Convened special parliament session to repeal farm laws. Farmers to government. Protesting farmers on Wednesday demanded the central government call a special session of parliament to repeal new farm laws and threatened to block other roads of the national capital if their demands are not met. Addressing a press conference, Kranti Kari Kisan Union President Darshan Pal accused the centre of dividing farmers' organisation by projecting the ongoing protest at Punjab Century. Representatives of farmers' organisation from other parts of the country will also be involved under Kisan Samyukt Morcha to decide the future course of action against the new farm laws, he said. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.